Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make a rectangle thicker in Photoshop. Let's begin. I already created a new layer. Then again create a new layer. Click the shape. Right click rectangle tool, and use fill. Or I not use. Do not use fill. And select stroke color. Example red. Press enter. Then click and drag on your mouse this rectangle. Again click shape and click stroke thicker. Okay. Now we can see this make rectangle thicker. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.